Okay, Katori. Hope you have fun time at school.
Okay, Daddy, I will.
I'm sure you will. And I hope you don't get bullied by the bullies.
I won't, Dad.
Okay, have fun.
Bye, Dad, love you.
Love you too. I just hope they're okay. I hope they were fine. But I will keep an eye socket out for her. I will. Later at evening. Well, looks like school is over for my little girl. You know what? I'm gonna go check on her. At school? Huh, there we go. There she is. Wait, those are bullies. I better get behind a tree. What are they doing? Looks like it's Katori again. Yeah, let's beat her up. Oh yeah, let's will. Bow, bow. Ow, ow, stop it! What the? Hey, I got a good idea. Oh, you was it, dude? Hold up, I have a dagger. Let's stab her many times. Oh yeah, let's do it. You're going down, Katori. Oh no, no! Ow, 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 stop! Huh? Who are you? Oh, I'm Sans the skeleton. And that's my daughter. Oh, really? Why would a monster like you have a daughter human? Yeah. How about this for example? Ow, what the heck, dude? Stay away from her. Okay, we will, sir. Jeez. Let's get out of here, dudes. Yeah, let's go. Stupid. Katori! Katori, are you okay?
No, I'm not, Daddy.
Oh my gosh, they stabbed you many times.
Dad, can you please take me to the hospital? Please?
Don't worry, we will go to the hospital. We'll go there right now. At the hospital? Man, oh, my little girl's okay. I'm so worried about her. Oh, you, nurse. Is my little girl okay? We're very sorry, sir. Sorry for what? Your daughter. She didn't make it. She's gone. No. No. You're lying. You're lying, aren't you? We're not lying. We're not lying, sir. She didn't make it. It looks like someone totally stabbed her many times. And totally stabbed her in the heart. No! Katori! At Katori's funeral. No, Katori. My little girl was gone. It was just the bully's fault. Sans, I know. I miss her too. But, you know, I believe those bullies got to her. And they killed her. Yeah, I know, bro. I miss her a lot. Yeah, I know you miss your daughter. And so I miss her. I miss my niece. But we should probably go home now. Yeah, but I want to stay here for a little bit. Okay, well, I'll be in the car. Well, Katori, looks like you're not gonna be here. I just wish I could stop them sooner, but I didn't. You know, I remember when I first held you when you were a little baby. I love you so much, my daughter, Katori. I just wish I could see you grow more bigger, be a teen, and also adult. But it looks like it's too late for that now. Well, except better get going. But I want to give you a little something. This is a picture you draw of me and you when you're that size. Well, rest in peace. My my little girl Katori. I'll always love you. Goodbye. Okay, so that was Father Classic Sans ex dying bullied child Katori. It's like a kind of like a part two thing, so I did it. And while I was doing this, I got a few tears. There's tears come down my face right now because it's so sad. And I hope yours too. So I hope you guys like this video. Like and subscribe to me. And I'll do more of these soon enough. So peace out guys. Love you all and it's requested by Faith. So yeah. So bye guys. See you later, alligators.